This video will review Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow was a first-generation American of Russian descent, and he grew up in Brooklyn, New York, and he graduated from city colleges and got his graduate degree from Madison, Wisconsin. So advertising, the industry, and the study of advertising looks to Maslow's hierarchy of needs because it helps them understand motivation, what motivates consumers. And consumer behavior, which is a separate course, and has advanced courses and is closely tied to planning. It's very important to advertising because we need to understand what motivates people. All people have needs and wants, and we need to understand that. So the first stage, or the first step, sometimes this is shown in pyramid form, and here we're doing it in layers. So physiological needs, nobody's going to want to do anything if they don't have a food, a roof over their head, water, they can't breathe, the basic needs. The next need is safety. You need to feel secure, you need to have employment, so you have income, you have to have your health. After that, you have social needs. People have social needs. They need to have family relations or not, but they need to have friendships, they need to have social systems to keep them grounded and complex in their lives. Personal relationships. The next level is self-esteem, and this is just really having confidence, feeling like you've made an achievement, and respecting yourselves and being respected by others. So, and this we've all have felt, I'm certain of it. When you've achieved something, you just feel proud of yourself and you feel self-worth. You have self-esteem, you feel good about yourself. We should all feel that way. And these things are important to acquire. And then for advertising, when people acquire this, when you're appealing to people's self-esteem, you might try to sell them a luxury car. It's really interesting if you look in the book. They have how advertising connects these different layers to advertising. So, safety is insurance, okay? So people really need that, and they need health. So you have pharmaceuticals, right? The highest level is self-actualization. And these are human beings, people, us, who are morally, creatively able to problem solve and live in the world and try to solve problems, and are free of everything that's below this level. So they are safe, they have food, they have a home, they have self-dignity, and they're able to go beyond themselves and reach the world. So take a look at the book and see how advertisers use these different stages, because subconsciously or consciously, these layers, this theory of hierarchy of needs has been very effective for advertisers. I just wanted to add to what we were talking about and show you how these appeal to advertisers. So if you're selling food, let's use food. Physiological, you're going to be selling it tastes good, it satisfies your hunger. Think Hamburger Helper. Safety, think of appealing to people's idea of safety in food, so GMOs, right? Organic. Social would be people talking about where they eat. Think about Yelp, okay? A social interaction. Self-esteem may be selling, you may be selling these people or this need cooking classes. Improvement, self-improvement by cooking, learning how to make sushi. Or self-actualization, people, appealing to people's want to be able to control or to understand more. So it'd be like a culinary degree. I hope that clarifies this. Thanks.